Hey guys, it's Faith, and in today's video we'll be focusing on how to use this single animation technique that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your slides when used creatively, allowing you to deliver a more engaging presentation. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and leave a comment, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. To begin, open your presentation software. It could be WPS downloaded from Microsoft Store or the latest version of PowerPoint, which has the Morph Animation. Create a new presentation and adjust the slide size if needed. You can start by customizing the background color, or you can choose from the provided templates. Then go ahead and input the text or contents of your presentation. Next, go to the Transitions tab and select Morph. Basically, what this Morph animation feature does is that it smoothly transitions between slides. So we duplicate the slide, and when we move an object in the slide after duplicating it, it generates fluid animation between slides. So we're just going to make a few changes here and then preview the animation. And this is how it looks like. So you can see the transformation and animation of the shape and even the text. Now let's go on to create something different. Let's add a shape to the slide, send it to back, and then give it a color. Duplicate the shape and then position it to overlay the original shape. Then give it another color. We're going to be working with this one, so we'll go ahead and duplicate it. To ensure the morph effect works smoothly, duplicate the initial slide and make incremental adjustments to each slide. Continue this process however you want, however you can be creative with it, gradually revealing or hiding elements to create a fluid animation sequence. You can experiment with different objects and even transitions. Another thing, if you don't have the latest version of PowerPoint like me, you can continue editing your WPS presentation in PowerPoint after applying the morph effect. Simply save your work and open it in PowerPoint to continue. And yes, the morph effect is still there. I think we'll just skip this part and jump to the presentation part. And there you have it. A presentation created using the Morph animation. And thank you so much for staying till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so for more video tutorials like this. If you're interested in this book, Introduction to CorelDRAW, it's available on Amazon. The link will be in the description. Bye guys, stay tuned for more tutorials and I'll see you in my next video.